I met my wife. She was a cashier at our Truck City location, and I was a porter, so I would, bring the cars in after I washed them and hang the keys up there, and she was always smiling at me. So, we started talking and just started kind of dating from there. Got engaged and got married. Been married about 8 years now. My wife, she still does work at Weld County Garage, Truck City, and my dad still works there as well. There is always a lot of opportunities to grow with this company. Going from starting off as a lot tech to, moving over to the body shop, cleaning cars there, to doing bed liners, paint prep, and then moving into the office and starting the office and estimating has given me a lot of opportunities. Every day is a different thing. It might be looking for a certain part, that's just not readily available, or you can't find diagrams. So you guys spend an hour, a couple hours on the phone making phone calls, trying to locate parts, which makes it exciting. The people I work with, they are really fun to work with. They all have their different personalities, but we all get along really well. And our painter's been here for over 20 years. Our general manager's been here for, 17 years. We have an estimator that's been here for over 20 years as well. So we do have a lot of employees that have been here a long time. We just don't have that turnover. I feel very grateful to be working here. It allows me on the weekends to go fish and camp and, go play with my Jeep and whatnot. Me and my wife are going through we've been going through a lot of fertility stuff. If I need to take off a day here to go with her to a doctor's appointment, there's no questions. They say, hey, family, you take care of them. I feel that all the technicians in the shop really do care about their quality of their repairs. If something's not right, they'll spend an extra hour just to make sure it is correct for it. The driven to do what is right, yeah, that applies to our everyday work here.